Hello, everybody. Welcome to Day 18 of our VLOGMAS series, and we are so excited, so pumped up to have you. It's been a great journey of Python learning and Python tips and tricks. Today, we'll be looking at the interactive underscore command. And so this video will be very, very brief. We'll look at the interactive underscore command, and then also something that you can, always use during your Python programming breaks, just to, get fair view of the Python poem. All right, so there's a default poem that comes with Python, and you just want to look at it. It's sort of summarizes everything that Python does. And so once you understand it, you know what each line of the poem says. So let's start off with the underscore command. This is widely used more on the console. Now, let's say we have 3 plus 4. Okay, it's stored into an output. Now, on your calculator, what you'd have done is to, in order to return this output, to type in, just hit your pad that says ans, which is the answer, that stores the answer. And then it repeats the stored value in that temporary variable. So what we need to do in Python to access the same variable is just to use underscore. So when I type in underscore, it produces what has been saved. So there's that temporary variable that stores the value. And so we can still make use of it. So let's say underscore times 4 would mean the last saved value times 4. And then now if there's a new value, say 28, it means underscore takes the value of the 28. Now it's overwritten. And so all the new outputs on the terminal are stored to underscore. We can still make use of the underscore. So if I say underscore equals to underscore plus 2, it means I'm making use of the last value of underscore, which is 28 plus 2, then 30. So underscore will be then changed to 30. And that's all. Okay, so all the attributes we've used so far, the activities we've done in Python can be done also using the underscore directly on the console. Working with it in the editor may give you some problems. All right, and then to the other aspect, which is the poem, what you need to do is just import this, that's THIS, and then it generates what we call the Zen of Python. That's a poem written by Tim Peters, and that's it. So all enthusiasts of poetry, you can actually spend time during your Python breaks and then just look at this and just do something more casual or something off programming. I believe you had an amazing session today. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and then turn on post notifications so you get updated on any new item we put up. And then to our old subscribers, we say thanks and then keep it up. We are hoping that you take in the lesson serious and you practice it more and more. You have an amazing day. And then if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and the team would address it. All right, so see you in the next tutorial session. Bye-bye.